It's another late night unboxing of some BL goods from Korea, Japan, and China. And after months of waiting or consolidating it and finally shipping it out and finally having enough time to do an unboxing, this box, it's really big. It fits the whole screen. Oh my god. We'll just make this fast unboxing. I'll try. Next week is finals and I'm currently studying. I just took this little break. This will serve as my motivation to study for finals. Let's do this. I'm supposed to receive MDZS Montage benefits, BJ Alex Volume 5 to 6, Painter of the Night Korean Volume 1, Tuha Volume 2, and finally, BexBoy Magazine. Okay, let's start unboxing it now. Wow, it's packaged upon package. 1, 2, oh my god. 3, and finally last one. 4. Let's start with this. I think I can already guess what it is. No, I don't know. Oh, I only ordered one. This is the. Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know what option is this. Nice. Hot. Okay, what fell was this badge. Oh my god. I think I ordered it for this one. Next is this little cute keychain. Oh, we have another standee. Oh, that looks so cute. I need to unpack them. Looks so cute. Looks so good. It looks so sweet. Another cute standee. Wait, let me just. Okay, how do you? Oh, look at them. Looks so cute. Oh wait, this is supposed to be. Another one, and finally this one. So I'm basically just buying books that I don't understand because of the inclusions. At least I'm still not to that point where I just buy all sets because I love all inclusions. This book is in Chinese and I don't understand. For display only. Also, this is included. Wait, what's this? It's like Ziploc. I forgot if there was a Ziploc involved. But hey, it's nice. It's a Ziploc. Oh my god, you can actually put the book here. I'm gonna put the book here. Very practical. Useful. I put this badge here. The standee. The keychain. Also included here is this Shikishi illustration board. What is this? What is this scene? It's been months since I've read it and I don't know what this scene is. I love doing this because it's so thick. It's really thick. Here you go. This one is the storyboard thingy. The postcard is not a typical postcard. It's actually, I don't know if you notice this, I have not really that good quality camera in my iPad, but it's like kind of shimmering, splendid. Oh my god, it's like in the rough. Oh my god, oh my god. The quality of the postcard. It's the inclusions. What made me buy it? Oh my god, look at him, so cute. Oh my god. Oh. I'm trying my best to not read more than in case they get how there's gonna be merch and I am saving myself. I'm so sorry if it's like weird angle. Okay, what's that? What I love about this set is this Ziploc thingy. It's very, very practical. At least the box is kind of safe because for volume 1 it was really kind of dented, so I just ended up cutting this one. The box was kind of dented, so I just saved this cover thingy for volume 1. Thank you so much, Ate Kri. So I can still use the box. I can display the box with confidence. Second one. God, my hair is already a mess. Wait, let me just fix it again. I don't have any more hair ties. I only have this yellow clamp. Oh, looks fine. I'm okay. I still look alive. I don't know what this is. This package is happy to see you. I'm happy to see you too. So what's in it? Okay, it's another. Oh yeah, I love the packaging because I know I can recycle this. I'm gonna recycle this. Look at this. Oh, wait, I got it all wrong. Oh my god, it's actually this one. I already bought this one. This is the thing I was not able to buy. I didn't know there was an inclusion for this BexBoy Magazine July. What's this inclusion? I need to see. I need to know. Another book in Japanese, a language that I do not understand. Bought it because of Case Heaven. Oh my god.
They're doing it by the fireplace and it's raining.
What's this? Okay, there's a monster. There's a wolf. Then they have this, I think, the survey thing. I love it. It's thick. Did you used to practice on how to sit properly or stand properly or walk properly with books on top of your head? I'm gonna try my best. Next is this one. The title is A Story That Can Be Told by Only Me Who Am the Closest to Them. What does that mean? But still another book in Japanese I do not understand, but I just bought it because I love Case Heaven and I just want to try to buy something. It's kind of difficult to move around because I'm really not confident in being proper. The third box is this one. I'm also happy to see you too. I wonder what this is. I hope you're not weirded out me trying to sit properly. Ta-da! Be careful. It's not kind of clear, but okay. I finally received this thank you card. It's a thank you card from Miss Cree. Thank you. Okay, put it there on my table. Oh my god, what's this? Oh, it's another set. I bought 2 sets of Tuha Volume 2. So these are the inclusions, I guess. Let me see. Oh, and also the Modality benefits, montage benefits here. It is. This is a Polaroid. It's a Polaroid of Wang Xian. I am so sorry if I butchered in how to pronounce my Laosha was. Another Shikishi. I really love doing that. I'm so sorry. It's the acrylic one. Next is, oh my god. Oh, let me just straighten this one up. I really love the inclusions or the Danai merch because they are really, I'm so sorry I keep on saying really practical. Look at it. It's a folder thingy where you put stuff. It's still saving. He's just blushing. Next year, there's now face-to-face classes. To bring or not to bring in school? That is the question. I'm gonna bring this. Next is, oh my god, what's this? Oh yeah, the box. Wait, can I open the box? Can I open the box? Oh wait, that's just. Alright, I failed. I'm done. Okay, here's this one. We have another Shikishi. display them. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, I love this bag. Ah! It's another acrylic standee because it's this one. It's also another book. We're finally down to the last one. I think you all know it's the last one if you listen carefully. Oh my god. Ooh. I can't feel my legs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I can feel it now. The last box. And then go back to studying for finals. Let's open this one. I'm also happy to see you, box. Happy to see you. Yeah, I'm gonna try to open it. This is another one for open this. Yeah. The Painter of the Night Korean version, volume 1. And I need to be careful. Oh wait, it's still safe. Got volumes 5 and 6 of BJ Alex Korean version. Okay, what do I unbox first? Okay, let's just open this to see if there are still photo cards left. Oh, I have one. This one. Ah! Next is volume 6. Oh, something fell and it's a photo card. So we got some photo cards. Very nice, very good. That was a moment of silence. So what's for volume 7 and 8 then? I'm just gonna do a flip through. Kind of slow. I hope you don't see anything. Okay, I think it's fine. It's volume 6. Okay, you're fine. What is with me buying books in a language that I don't understand? Why Delilah? Why Delilah? So this is, I think this is the limited version. I think so. I don't remember, but this is the last one and then we're done! I think the limited version comes with an acrylic board, right? I'm still asking myself how to open this one. Oh, I see. This is the acrylic. The acrylic standee. Ah, it's the music box scene. Oh my god. I'm gonna open this one. I think the music box that Lizine will sell is gonna cost a lot. Okay, it looks good for a frame. Right. Come on, turn the radio on. Wait, can we do a little bit ASMR? I don't know. Let's see. God, let's look at it. I can still see my reflection. Oh god. Hi. Let's do this. Oh my god. Let's just hope that Painter of the Night has a good ending. If I feel sad about the ending, I might end up selling all of my Painter of the Night merch just to ease the pain. Let's open this one. This is what's included in the limited edition. So we have this. Oh, I'm talking. The latest chapter 88. Oh my god. What we really needed was just a hug. I'm it's like one day how we're hugging. This is what's in the back. And this one, it's how do you read this date? Can someone tell me? Manifesting happy ending and painter of the night. Another photo card. We're going to open up this one. Okay, look at this. I thought it was just like, oh, I am not throwing this one out. The cover, it's kind of rough. And I have rough hands, so it's a good combination. It's like what you call this kind of book cover thing. Me. So it's like this, supposed to be originally, but then they added this, and now it looks more elegant. There's actually two photo cards. I probably forgot. One is black and white, and the other one is in colored. It's the cover. It's actually the cover. I just realized. Oh my god, this is so nice. Manifesting happy ending of Painter of the Night. Please. Please. I think we're done. I think that's it. Okay, I'm so happy. Okay, I still need to make an outro or like. But if you're still watching up to this point, thank you so much. It's another late night unboxing. Finally unboxed them as my motivation for finals. I hope this also served as a sort of a motivation for you too. It like took me more than a few months to actually kind of saving money. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and comment if you want to comment. I don't know if I want to say subscribe because I only post random videos, productivity videos, if I ever have time. Again, oh my god, I'm just so happy. Bye bye.